This is a demonstration of one of the most useful, yet one of the most hidden, in my view, capabilities of ISPF Edit. It's the compare command, and I'm not talking about comparing to other data sets. I'm talking about comparing to the active data that is being edited. Now what we see here is a test rex exec that I have that does different things just to demonstrate different functions that I use to play around with and show people. But what I've also done is I've made some changes. But what are those changes? I can't remember. So if I type compare asterisk, that says tell me what's changed since I last did a save. If I hit enter, I can now see what all of those functions, all those are. We can see here that record is gone. Well, these records were inserted. Again, this record was deleted or changed. And this record is the result. Now, those are all very handy, and it's a function of comparing out using the compare asterisk.